First day of the communion from Calitzdorp to Maatjies Vlei. Officially known as the Klein Karoo route, is a 7-day, 141 kilometers spiritual and scenic walking journey through the rugged beauty of Southern Africa's Klein Karoo region. It begins at the Dutch Reformed Church in Calitzdorp and concludes at the Zebra Church in the Klipdrift area situated between Oudtshoorn and George. The trail meanders through diverse landscapes, including semi-arid plains, rolling hills, and mountain vistas, offering walkers a chance to connect deeply with nature and local culture. The Pelgrims covers approximately 20 kilometers per day, allowing for manageable pace that accommodated reflection and appreciation of the surroundings they walking in. The 5 pilgrims on this Camino is Tersia Stolz, Hannetjie Dalton, Heidi van Wyk, Herwel Krige and Christina Vermeulen.
En ek kom met 'n spoed.
It's time to take some pictures of this beautiful green valley of the Klein Karoo, where we are on our Calitz Camino. It is over halfway, time for a well-earned break, taking in nature and surroundings, getting our breath back, rest our feet for a while, yes, on our bums, on the side of the road, before taking on the rest of the journey to our overnight place. After our well-deserved break next to the road, we came on this way across this school with the friendliest principal and staff. We was welcomed with a banner. It tells us about the school and the surroundings and how lucky they are to be teachers at this school with the surroundings of beautiful hills and nature, and how is the children all in good spirit all the time. We eat our lunch packs, time flies, and we take a picture together with the principal, and it was time again to say thanks and goodbye for our last stretch to our guest house. On our way with full tummies, tired bodies and sore feet, there was some time for laughter as well. Nee, Heidi and Eswel, we don't talk out. What happens on the Camino road will stay on the Camino road.
Trek hom af. Spring! 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 Wie kom jou? Ja, iemand moet hom kom vashou. Christina, bly jy? Jy kan nie optel nie. Jy sien? Iemand kom moet in die lengte. Jy val hier af, hoor. Dan gaan ek jump! Yeah!
Sy.
Sy. Hou nou die tou vas. Hou vas. Dis nat. Dis nat. Dis van goed skryf.
Of hoeveel slide wil ons ry? Jy moet net nie los nie.
Jy moet hom vasknyp. Leg jy op been, Christina.
Dis also video, hoor. Ek noem maar net, julle is op kamera, hoor.
Ja, push. Ek het dit nou gehoor.
Nee, jy nie ons niks gehoor nie. Go.
Ja, push.
Tiring but happy faces after the first leg of the Camino. Douglas Huys, Tiaard Huys and Oude Huys se Kloofhuis, providing comfortable and opportunities to engage with the Klein Karoo community. What a beautiful, breathtaking view from our overnight stays at the Kloof House, Tiaard House. Vlei, feet itching but spirits soaring. We shared stories over the Karoo supper, the day's dust still on our boots, and the kind of quiet that only a long walk can earn. Day 2, 21.5 kilometers between Matjiesvlei and Groenfontein. The flora, then part of the succulent Karoo biome, one of the world's biodiversity hotspots, home to aloe species, spekbos, euphorbia, and a dazzling array of spring wildflowers after good rain. The fauna, kudu, klipspringers, and steenbok roam the hills. Bird life is abandoned. Look for sunbirds, black eagles, Karoo larks and the Cape sugarbird. Reptiles like agamas, tortoises and geckos are commonly seen in the basking of the sun. Vygies and other small succulents carpet the landscape in bursts of color during the bloom seasons. The Pelgrims covers approximately 20 kilometers per day, allowing for manageable pace that accommodated reflection and appreciation of the surroundings they are walking in.
Maar die zwart bergen voor jullie. Fijn, vandaag aan die zwart bergen heel goed jongens. En dan is het of voor of links van je.
Op pad Groenfontein toe en hier gaan ons oor pragtige watertjies. Wat ruik julle nou?
Mint.
Nou, hy ruik nog mintplantjie.
Hij is scherp. Hij is scherp, ja. Maar die
En dis die paadjie waarvan af ons kom.
You pass beneath old acacia and career trees, their branches offering broken shades. The road hugs the streams, fed by mountain runnels, gurgling soft beside you. Dragonflies dance across the surface of the water. Now and then a dusty darts across the path, or a lory calls out from somewhere in the canopy. This path, part farm track, part forgotten road, isn't built for haste. It's a place for slowing down, for nothing, for notching things. The scenes of wild herbs crushes underfoot, the wind brushing through the leaves, the way the mountain seems to watch you as you go near Groenfontein. The trees close in a little and the streams went just through the reflect the sky, This sense of quiet deepness, it feels like you're walking inside a memory or a page from someone else's long forgotten journal. The old Klein Karoo farmhouses, weathered, whitewashed buildings with thick walls, thin roofs and deep stoops, verandas that echo a quiet rural history along the way. More Grace Farm, nestled in the serene Groenvlei Valley near Calitzdorp, is a hidden gem in the Klein Karoo, known for its craft beer and wine offerings. The farm operates on an appointment-only basis or during select dates. To plan a visit or inquire about upcoming events, you can contact Gerrit via WhatsApp. Kraal Doring Breweries Company operates as a microbrewery producing a selection of craft beers that reflect the character of the Klein Karoo, while specific beers, varieties and tasting notes are not detailed in the available sources. The brewery is known for its artisanal approach to brewing, offering visitors a chance to savor unique flavors crafted with care. Kraal Doring Brewing offers breakfast and dinners for travelers as well passing by. The final stretch of the Camino-style route from Kraal Doring's farmstay to Groenfontein Holiday Farm offers a serene and picturesque journey through the heart of the Klein Karoo. This segment, approximately 10 to 12 kilometers in length, meander along the gravel roads that gently ascends into the foothills of the Swartberg Mountains, providing a peaceful and contemplative experience for walkers. As you approach Grootfontein Guest Farm from the direction of Kraal Doring, two inviting self-catering cottages, Oak Pit and Klein Baas, offer serene accommodation nestled in the foothills of the Swartberg Mountains. These cottages provide a tranquility retreat ideal for travelers seeking a peaceful stay amidst the natural beauty of the Klein Karoo. As you approach Grootfontein Guest Farm from the direction of Kraal Doring, two inviting self-catering cottages, Oak Pit and Klein Baas, offer serene accommodation nestled in the foothills of the Swartberg Mountains. These cottages provide a tranquility retreat. Quick phone call to save to our loved ones. We are safe, we made it, day 2. And the place we're gonna nestle tonight is on Oak Pit and Klein Baas are two charming self-catering cottages. The veranda offers panoramic views of the Swartberg Mountains, allowing guests to immerse themselves in a tranquil beauty of the Klein Karoo landscape at Oak Pit Cottage. Heidi is doing the books and she's busy in the sitting room. Oak Pit Cottage sleeps up to 6 guests, 3 bedrooms, 2 with double beds and 1 with 2 single beds, 1 bathroom equipped with a bath and shower, kitchen fully equipped with a gas stove and a fridge, comfortable sitting with a TV feature local channels, and gas heaters for chilly nights, braai barbecue facilities with firewood provided, linen and towels included, Wi-Fi available at the reception area only and under the tree. Thank you and good night. We'll see you tomorrow for the 3rd day of the Camino, journeying from Groenfontein to Kuilsrivier. Wishing you a restful sleep and renewed energy for the path ahead.